I want to try a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah. Mmm.
Looks yummy. crab.
Oh, snow crab.
Let's eat, shall we?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna pick some stuff out and start eating.
Yes.
Whoa, smells so good.
Yeah.
Come smell this, Ethan.
Whoa.
What do you smell, Ethan?
It's really yummy.
Why do you think it smells yummy?
Because I want to eat it.
Because you want to eat it?
Because I'm hungry.
I'm gonna grab a claw.
What's that?
Whoa.
Is that snow crab?
That's a snow crab.
Can I grow some for me?
I will.
It's burning.
Okay. All right. Let's eat, shall we?
Yes. Lobster. I want those.
Want one of those?
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll grab one of those for you. You really want a big one?
Yes.
Here we go. It's really hot right now, Ethan. You know what this is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Shell.
Yeah, it's a shell. Inside's a clam.
Yeah, inside a clam.
Mmm. Wow, so plump. Mmm.
What are these?
Wow, absolutely delicious.
Yeah. Daddy, can I have me teeth? No, for me?
Yep. You be careful when you're eating it, okay?
Okay.
You chew it up properly, okay? It's a
Okay.
clam.
Mmm.
Is it juicy?
You want to try again?
Yeah, you can eat again.
No, you can eat again. I want to try if it's juicy, okay? Try the shell again because it's juicy, okay?
Okay, so I'm going to pick it out.
And then eat it if it's juicy, okay?
Okay. Mmm.
Is it juicy?
Yeah, so plump.
What's juicy too?
Mmm.
A
Okay.
big part for me?
Yep.
I
Daddy
just
should have cracked it open already, so it should be not too hard to crack open.
Whoa. Right, because I'm big. I can't. It's...
Mmm, so good. Mmm.
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
Oh,
I want to try a little bit.
a little bit?
Yeah. Mmm.
Oh, it's yummy.
Mmm.
Ethan, have you had a snow crab before?
Nope. Never. I didn't. Whoa.
What do you smell, Ethan?
It's really yummy.
Why do you think it smells yummy?
Because I want to eat it.
Because you want to eat it?
Mm.
All right, let's eat, shall we?
Yes. Yeah. It's delicious. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
Oh.